Hey guys, we did it! We got the van! As you can see, some of the conversions were already done. We have a bed, a TV, a DVD player, and a CD player with USB ports and Alexa. We decided to test it out and went camping and had a really good experience. I think Bear liked it the most. He went swimming for the very first time. Greg caught a fish, small bass, so that was pretty cool. There's Bear just living his best life. Breakfast of Champions.
As you can see, we still have some modifications to do. Check out our YouTube channel so you can see all the places we go in our van. We're super excited to share our memories with you.
Don't forget to subscribe so you'll know when our next video is up. Thanks for watching.
All your life you've been chasing a goal.